If the bubonic plague was knocking at your door, would you know how to identify it? Find out how to identify it now on the Deane Science News Hour. Welcome to the Deane Science News Hour with Ella Deane. Yersinia Pestis is the bacteria that caused the bubonic plague outbreak. This fast-moving disease is passed from rodents to fleas to humans when a flea latches onto a host and sucks blood from them. While the blood gets sucked into the flea, the bacteria gets transferred into the host. About 50% of the people who went untreated for the plague died within 24 hours of being infected when the plague hit Europe from 1347 to 1352. This is an old sketch of bodies laid out on the street who died from the bubonic plague. Now for some details about this tiny monster. The physical bacteria is of the type Coccobacillus, meaning its shape is sort of short and ovular but not totally spherical. It is a gram-negative bacteria, meaning it turns violet when stained with crystal violet dye, and it has a thick layer of peptidoglycan around the cell. This peptidoglycan is a scary feature of this bacteria. Tragically, this tough outer layer makes it more resistant to antibiotics than other gram-positive bacteria which have a thinner layer of peptidoglycan. This is an electron micrograph of Yersinia pestis. Symptoms for the disease include fever and headache, along with inflamed areas around lymph nodes, also known as buboes. This person has a bubo under his armpit. Lymph nodes are concentrated around the armpits and groin. An infected human will suffer from great pain in these regions of their body. While extremely unlikely, there is always some chance that this nasty bacteria will find its way into the population. If you experience any of these symptoms, especially after making contact with rodents or fleas, contact your doctor immediately. If you are diagnosed with the disease, your doctors will most likely prescribe you with an antibiotic such as gentamicin, an anti-infective, and streptomycin, used only against bacterial diseases. Modern medicine will prevent another tragedy on the scale of the Black Death, but we must stay vigilant. Have a great day, everybody! And that's the Deane News Hour.